Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to produce bulk articles with Spin Rewriter. First, we go to our text files. Next, we go to the Spin Rewriter. We'll use to rewrite multiple articles. Here we have three options. Option 1, paste our article, or option number 2, to upload the text files, or option number 3, we use zip file. So we will produce a zip file from our bulk articles. We will select the zip file, we go to the setting, we are not going to change any setting, we click OK, and we rewrite multiple articles. So article have been rewrite. We choose all the articles, we export the articles, download the articles and save it into the same folder. So close it and we go to the folder, we extract the zip file, we go to the spintax. So this is the first article and the fifth articles. So thank you for watching the video. Bye bye.